So now what is this tool about? So SAP upgrade or patching using upgrade using some tool here, using the sum tool. So we can do the updates here using the sum tool. We can do the patching installation. Now we are doing in the sum tool also. SAP delivered one tool that is called the sum tool. Using this one, we can do the patching. We can do the upgrade, bulk patching in a controlled manner. Downtime, we can control it. We can minimize it using the sum tool here. Right? This is the tool we have to download it. Right? So for this one, what we required to perform the SAP upgrade by using this tool. So what we required. So what are the three things we have to do it here? The first of all, so we need to generate the stack.xml file, and we need to download the all the patches, including some tool. Move the patches and some tool to the application server level. So application server level, we have to move it. Then we can start the sum tool, proceed with the other roadmap steps here. Okay, this is the high level which we have to do it. The first of all, so our systems should be up to date. The first point is to perform the what we have to do. It's not one component here. Entire entire stack I want to update from one version to another version, right? One version to another version. Either you can do the release upgrade, I can do the SPS upgrade. Only one patch you can update it, or bulk patches you can update it. That is your wish. Right? So some tool can handle the any kind of activity, either patching, upgrade, release upgrade, SAP SPS upgrade, SPS patching, anything, SAP will handle the all kind of things. Either you are doing small or you are doing all the hundreds of component, 163 component, you can update it. SAP will handle it, those things here, right? So that is called the upgrade. Some tool, with some tool you can update all. So it calculate the all the dependencies as well. So it calculate the all the dependencies as well here, all the dependencies as well here, right? That is the sum tool here, right? So here, what is required to perform this one here? What is required to perform the SAP upgrade here, right? Here, the first thing is first thing is here, we need to, so first of all, uh, we need to, we need to check our system should be up to date in service marketplace maintenance planner in explore systems. Up to date means whatever the components we have here, similar way, similar way, it should be up to date. Suppose here we have the patch number 26, then same patch number 26 should be exist. It should be exist here. That should be required, right? That is required here. Then in case, in case if it's not up to date, means it's not up to date here. Okay, it's not up to date. Then what we have to do, we have to push the data, we have to push the data from object 72. So SLD, SLD to LMDB, LMDB to, so solution manager will send the data to the service marketplace and the maintenance planner, then explore systems. It will send the data here, right? This is the navigation will happen. This will happen automatically. This will happen automatically here. But only thing is we have to push the data to SLD from our system to, so our system to the, our ECC system to SLD, we need to push the data here. So you have to go to the object 70. In case of your Java system is exist, just click on the maintain the SLD details and everything here. Just click on the push the data here, that will send it to the your that will send the your components data to the SLD server. In the Java side, we discussed with this one, right? It will send the data to the SLD server. The jobs will send the data to the SLD server here. Then after that data will be updated to the LMDB solution manager LMDB. Then automatically there is a landscape jobs. It will pick up. It will send the data to the your service marketplace maintenance planner explore systems, right? I will show you in the service marketplace how it will come, right? Then the step number 2, in case it should be up to date, then we know what to do. If it's not up to date, then we know what to do here, right? Questions they may ask you. If the system is update, what you have to do? If not update, everything. If the system is up to date, then proceed with the point number 2. Then proceed with the point number 2. So then calculate the calculate the calculate the target patch level here means which patch level you are going to update, then generate the generate the stack dot xml file, then generate the stack dot xml file. This is the one of the very important file. How the lock is very important for homes, the stack.xml file is very important for the some upgrade. Some upgrade here. Stack.xml file is very important for the some upgrade here. Right? So that is the one important here. That is the one important here. That is the one important here. Right? That is the one important thing here. Once you calculate the stack.xml file, then download all patches from download all the patches and move the patches to application server level. Move the patches to the application server level, right? So application server level here, right? Once you move the patches to the application server level, then 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 perform the pre-checks in the your SAP system. Then so at least so 30 I think 50 GB, I think at least minimum 50 GB free space required at operate at OS level. Your SAP OS level free space is required. Then you should not have need to check if any check if any failed update records exist or not. Period update records exist or not. Period update records exist or not. You need to check here. Failed update, if check if any failed update records exist or not. In we need to check here, right? Failed update records are so exist or not here, right? So then check if any failed update records in SM13 we need to check. Check if any uh, failed MCEX queues. Failed if any MCEX queues. Failed check if any failed MCEX queues exist or not, right? If exist, we need to clear those things here. Okay, make fail MCEX queues, especially for the ECC system. These queues are inbound queues are there exist here, right? Your functional team will process these queues and everything here. So this we can delete it any failed records, and also check if any open transport request open transport request. If any transport requests which are not released open status, those things we have to unlock it or we have to release it. Check if any inactive objects in the system. In SCAT, we need to check this if any inactive objects, right? We need to take the action here. Then so these are the mandatory pre-checks we have to do it in the mandatory pre-checks we have to do it in the systems here before you start the sum tool. Before you start the sum tool, so we need to check the all those things here, right? So first thing is we need to check our system is up to date or not in our systems here. The first point, then calculate the target patch level. This step is very important step here. This is the step is very important step here, right? So then remaining all are the important also, but later also we can perform. But without this one, we cannot run the sum tool here. We cannot run the sum tool here. So once you got all those things here, once everything is performed, then we extract the sum tool using SAP car command. Then then start the sum tool. Then start the sum tool and proceed with the other roadmap, other roadmap activities, roadmap, step active roadmap, steps, other roadmap steps here. Okay, these are the things we have to do here to these are the things we have to do. Okay, start the sum tool, proceed with the other roadmap steps here. Right now, start check the whether our system is up to date or not here. Here we need to log into the maintenance planner, right? Here we need to log into the maintenance planner here. So with this user ID, we need to log into the our maintenance planner session. We have to log in here. So there we need to check our systems are up to date here, right? So let's see here. Here we can go to the me.sap.com. Anything it will route to the systems provisioning. Here, if we just scroll down here, if we just scroll down here in the bottom of the screen, you will see the maintenance planner. Here you will see the maintenance planner option here, right? So maintenance planner here, right? You can see maintenance planner means all our maintenance activities we can plan it from in this maintenance planner here, right? Maintenance planner here. So here, what I will do here, here we will get the so list of systems which are exist in our system. So list of systems you will see here. List of systems you will see it here. So here, let me pause the recording here. So this is the calculation of the stack.xml file. So we have to go to the service marketplace, maintenance planner, then select the system, click on the plan. So here you will see the defined change. In the defined change, what changes you are going to perform, that changes we have to do that one. Then once you confirm all the changes as per your current patch level, as per your current patch level, you are doing the changes about the all these changes, you are going to update it. Then plan the similar changes here as well. Plan the similar changes here as well. Then go to the select files here. Here we need to download the kernel. We need to select the kernels, sum tool, So whatever you want, kernel files you want to update, you can also select. Otherwise, just uncheck, click on the next file. It will select the dependencies. Then it will go to the download section here. In the download section, here you need to download the stack.xml file. This tag.xml file is a very important thing. So that is required for the sum tool. Tag.xml file is very important. That is required for the sum tool here. Then push to the download basket. Instead of downloading all the patches one by one, we can so push the all those things here, right? Push the patches to the download basket here. Then we can download it here. So this is the what we have to do it in the as part of the our steps here, right? Stack.xml file here, right? Stack.xml file. So once you download everything here, then patches will we can download it. So then what we can do, we can perform the other steps here. So free space we need to check any field update records, any queues, any transports open, any inactive objects. So then once all the patches are downloaded, move the patches to the so your application server level, then start the sum tool here. So to start the sum tool, first of all, so let's see whether we have any patches in the suppose the example KP online, that is the NW1 server. Okay, let's log in there. Okay, here USR SAP SID. So here we don't have the sum tool. Means we have to download the patches. First of all, we have to download the patches here. That's what we have to do it in the system. First point, patches. Patches should be ready here. Patches should be ready here. So let's see. So no patches. We don't have any patches here. So we need to wait for the patches now. So then once the patches are ready, let me see. So these three steps you can perform it, right? Any field updates, any queues in SMQ1, SMQ2, you can check it out. Any open transport request, SE01 or 9, you can check any open transport request, release it. Any inactive objects, so just to go to the SE80, go to the SE80 transaction code. Here, check the inactive objects or if anything, just star all users. Then click on the OK button. Then it will display the inactive objects if anything. So right, any inactive objects that will be displayed here. So check if any inactive objects, right? Once you've done it here, it will display the inactive objects. Nothing will show here. Nothing is there. So here SM13, you can see any field update records are there or not. SM13. So you need to work with the function team and you need to clear those things here, right? And in SMQ1, we can check the we can check the any queues got stuck here. Any queues got stuck here. We need to check it out here. Any queues got stuck. We need to check in the SMQ1, SMQ2. So here mainly inbound queues MCEX queues will stuck. Those things we need to check here. So if it is already configured, we need to check here. So, and also free space at operating system level, we need to check here to place the software files and everything. Once done, we can calculate the patches and we can start the sum tool. So we can start the sum tool here. So start the sum tool, then start the sum tool and proceed with the other activities, upgrade activities we have to plan it here. Before that, these are the prerequisites we have to perform it. These are the pre-work we have to perform in the systems. Okay. So I will do, I will download the patches. I need to check where it is available. I will download the patches. Then tomorrow we'll extract the sum tool. Then we'll start the sum tool. Then proceed with the other activities here. Right. So first of all, we need to download the software. Here we will use the our NW1 system. We will use the NW1 system for the patches related activities here. Okay. NW1 system. So I need to check the patches. I think already there is. Otherwise, I need to download freshly again. So patches. This one. I think these are the patches. But where is the sum tool? Yes. So these are the patches we have. What I will do, I will move the patches to the location here.
Sir, these patches are downloaded from maintenance planner.
Yeah, same maintenance planner only. Same maintenance planner only we have downloaded. So so it's loading to the there, but we have to download the sum tool. Okay, so let's download it. Then we'll see tomorrow. Starting the sum tool, extracting the sum tool, start the sum tool, then proceed with the other steps. Okay, that we'll see tomorrow. So because since it will copy